Hey, it's Mike, and I've come down to check out what actually happens behind the scenes at Payam Data Recovery's lab here in Sydney, Australia. Today, I'm sitting with one of their data recovery engineers on a real customer case. Claire from Melbourne had an iMac that wouldn't start. She took it to Apple, and they offered to replace the machine under warranty. Only problem was, Claire had no backup, no iCloud. Every Word document, Excel spreadsheet, email, photo and folder was trapped inside that dead iMac. So she shipped it to Payam first. The unit was an Apple iMac A2439, the 2021 M1 chip model. Completely dead, no power, no display. The engineer started with some external testing, then took the monitor down to get inside. Turns out this model has something specific. Unlike earlier iMacs, the A2439 runs a separate I/O board that controls one side of the speakers, one of the fans, and the USB IC. In the engineer's experience, when these boards fail, it's almost always a short circuit. He unhooked every connector going to the I/O board and powered the iMac on the main logic board alone. The Apple logo came up. The machine was trying to boot, but couldn't finish without the I/O board. That confirmed the diagnosis. The main logic board was healthy, but the fault was isolated to the I/O board. Using the rosin short finding method, he traced the fault down to a single shorted capacitor. Not an IC, which would have been a much bigger job, just one capacitor. He replaced it, reinstalled the I/O board, and the iMac powered on. From there, a full clone of the onboard SSD to a SATA hard drive in the dock. 100% of Claire's data was recovered. That clone is then copied across to a Mac formatted USB external hard drive, which Payam ships to the customer with all the files ready to plug in and use. Claire will shortly receive an email with a full file listing, a video screen recording of her data, and a request to pay. Once paid, the drive ships back to Melbourne. Payam gets jobs like this from all around the world. Most people assume board level recovery on machines with soldered SSDs, MacBooks, iMacs, Microsoft Surfaces is impossible. Payam's team proves otherwise. No matter the problem, no matter the device, they are willing to give it a go, and in most cases, they succeed. Thanks for watching.